twasoka twasoe para ku reject a bill ya finance bill 2024 nende una togoteba we totally reject. There's no amendment that we are asking for. Itogoteba a bill yetu turware Jones egento gya kabere ingoteba ninde no mogoko asengencho nara abasaya bange bagosoka ne babarai nkorochi barai bange bago babwatesia asengencho abarai abange mbamaete baroba akayes nende mbai maete itokumetie budget ground babori mwananchi abaerese nkyo mwananchi atagete sibabono egente ke togoteba we reject in totality na abarasaya banyamira ngo bakirambuye mono asogwesokia sipara na kurwa maoni mono egento kyamsa na soma igoro ya tax au developed countries chigo kara taxation egento ge ya taxation itogoteba you go wide but not deeper. But kwa maana konyore serikali yetu ya Kenya igekari go dig umwananchi na endo liyo ubwato konyorokoroke in that manner we call a deeper way. Ikiara to kontebia ebirema yugo chigo tax wase wheelchair, that is totally wrong. Gokorora balia baroire ba cancer ngochi bari go tax wa asa mangana alia ya marioga abo, which is very wrong. Nebi ntombire to kontebia ebintu bune sanitary pads. Ekerogoteba you want to tax the sanitary parts that are imported. And the Guama Konyora, the ones that are of good quality. Igobono, moving forward, Abana Baitumba affected nature infection, as we go to make even tebi via locally made. Another thing, even via locally made or Konyora, Nebire Navana Siasa Baliba, yes, I wanted to go promote via Sarabiabo, Egere, but open up ways to corruption. Negan Donga Yes Rekali, overtaxation does not solve the issue of development. Overtaxation creates more of tax evasion and which mutua na ora nyole mbarekera ngetuliwa e county ya Nyamira telikuja kwanza gochakira na assembly mama ateme konero asebono iga ntoete investigation authorities konya ko investigate ya mangana alitua rasa assembly igobono tinda akira na sengenjo twaire priority the current issue eyure ya finance bill, lakini county ya Nyamira baada magendo nale maega una to kora finance bill nende ngo so atole para asiko gukwanda mangana ya county ya Nyamira.